Welcome to a mental projection journey where I bring you into my etheric temple and we welcome the White Arcturians. They amplify the energy of our collective and then we start channeling all together a Galactic Lord, a logo that boosts our whole physical body and energy body. After this, the White Arcturians are coming and doing psychic surgery on our throat. Then they are aligning our throat with our sacral, and after this we receive a gift in our solar plexus to align our solar plexus with our throat. It's a beautiful journey. I hope this helps you on your journey here on earth and remembering your power and allowing you to express your true self. Thank you so much. Bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize a pink torus field pulsating in the front, creating the fractal of coherence, beautiful patterns, structure, sacred geometry. You can feel in front of your chest an energical heartbeat. Your physical heart start pumping faster. All the cells in your chest are boiling, vibrating as one. Bring the currents in the back of your heart. In your arms, your hands, your fingers, they are extension of your heart. We are moving to my octagonal temple, four-sided crystal glass pyramid, one another one under, reverse. This octagon is spinning in the ether. Right now it's all blue, crystalline energy. There's a blue gemstone in the center. My white lion is welcoming us. We're creating a circle all around, holding hands with our light body, acknowledging each other, looking on the left and right, and we start circulating white energy, entering our left hand, moving to our arm, our heart, giving back to our right hand. We are becoming one heart, one collective, one being. My white lion has a golden staff, blue gemstone, starts swirling it up in the air, channeling blue light codes, a tornado of blue light codes that is then pushing to the whole collective. You're receiving this in your throat. Untayetia tikititia teia teia nakia teia naiana shiakina nanaita iana ayakina kayatiana ayana kiki titiana ke yana ushiyaki yatiana ke yatiana shiatina ki yatiana atiti yatia yatiti yatia tia tia naki yatiti yati ayana ke yatina. He's coming to each and every one of you. He's putting his golden staff, blue gems on your throat. We are activating the throat. And there's a flock of white Arcturians, a collective white Arcturians. They're floating above, entering the temple, and creating a circle right behind, a bit above our collective circle. They start strengthening the collective by summoning their own collective energy. It's like a white ball of electricity that they are creating together as they are holding hands behind us. It is amplifying everything, rebooting all our cells, all our energy light body. Unayaki shishiyate yanai. And with this higher frequency, becoming one with the White Arcturian and this whole electricity amplified energy, we are channeling all of us together a Lord. It's a Lord of a galaxy, massive being, masculine energy, very still, like a statue, wearing a long robe, a white staff on his right hand, that has an arrow on top. This being is very still. He's not looking at us, but he is transmitting energy as he is smashing his staff on the ground. The whole temple starts activating with these higher frequency light codes, pure white. It's moving up your feet, your leg, your spine, spreading to your arms, entering your brain, clearing and aligning. Now the White Arcturians are coming next to you and they're pulling things out of your throat. They're clearing your throat with their long elongated fingers. They're doing a psychic surgery in your throat. Una yatia dai shiakinai. The Arcturians, they are in front of you now, and with their hand they're pulling down the blue energy from your throat down into your heart, all the way down to your sacral, connecting your throat to your sacral. It's a blue bandwidth of electric energy. They're using their hands to wash the energy all around your head, clearing your thoughts, clearing your brain. It's like a head massage, wiping their head all around. And they're giving you a kiss on the cheeks. And now they're coming in front of you, putting a yellow and white gemstone in your solar plexus in the front. And it's shooting up in your throat. Communicating with confidence, strength, identity, uniqueness, your whole human being, avatar, your ego. It's time to express it proudly from the solar plexus up the throat. We're suiting this front solar plexus with silver ray, divine feminine. Now put your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. As we close this session, we are bowing to each other, acknowledging each other here on earth as starseed on a mission to remember the depth of our soul and to activate the whole 3D construct into the shift of the 5th dimension. Thank you for your presence on earth right now. I bow to you and your greatness. We bow to the Galactic Lord logo. We bow to the White Arcturians, to my white lion. Thank you for this throat chakra activation and alignment with the sacral and solar plexus. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please comment below your experience. Thank you so much. Share with your friends. And I see you on the next one.